Hariam children, last class we have read about Rutherford atomic model, but today we read its demerit. What was the demerit on that atomic model? Okay, so one scientist was there, Maxwell. One scientist is there. So Maxwell, he has given one theory that is known as classical law of electrodynamics. So this theory given by whom? Maxwell, one physicist. According to Maxwell, when a charged particle revolves around another charged particle, this is a charged particle, this is a charged particle. If another charged particle revolves around this charged particle, continuously that charged particle will radiate energy. What I told, when a charged particle revolves around another charged particle, continuously radiate energy. By whom? By Maxwell, according to classical law of electrodynamics. So Maxwell at that time, he suggested this statement. So this statement was, when it is asked to the Rutherford, that Rutherford, what he has suggested in his atomic model, he suggested that electron, it revolves around the proton. How it revolves, he did not explain. So Maxwell suggested Rutherford that if electron is moving around the proton, electron is moving around the proton, and electron is negatively charged particle, proton is positively charged particle. When this negative charged particle revolves the positive charged particle, according to classical law of electrodynamics, slowly, what it will do? It will radiate energy. It will radiate energy, and finally it will fall to the center of the atom, as a result of which atom will collapse. But this thing is not happening. So as this thing is not happening, it means the Rutherford atomic model is wrong. So this is the demerits of Rutherford. Now this demerit, it is rectified by another scientist, that is Niels Bohr. Who is that scientist? Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr atomic model. Niels Bohr atomic model. Now Niels Bohr is what? Who is this Niels Bohr? Niels Bohr is the student of Rutherford. He is the student of Rutherford. In his atomic model, he suggested that, what he suggested? Electron revolves around the nucleus in a fixed path. In a fixed path. Fixed path means, now I have drawn the diagram. Rutherford suggested electron revolves like this. Now this path is what? This path is not fixed. But Rutherford told that it is moving in a fixed path. Electron moving in the nucleus in a what? In a fixed path, not in the spiral path. Okay. Now second statement he has given, till the electron revolves in the fixed path, neither it lose energy nor it gains energy. Remember, this statement rectified the demerits of Rutherford. Now Niels Bohr, he was one scientist. He did not do any experiment. Only what he did, only he has done the, means what, analyze the different experiments and given the statements. So these all are Niels Bohr atomic model. Niels Bohr, B-O-H-R, Niels Bohr atomic model. So according to these two atomic model, so demerits of Rutherford is rectified. So this is today this much. Now another video I am just doing about What is that? That is your atomic number and mass number. Okay.